Hi guys, today I want to teach you how to use iPhone calendar. Firstly, let's start with opening Apple Calendar, which looks like that. Now you should see the screen, so I can check it monthly, or I can click on the icon and from details switch to stacked and compact. I guess you already saw the difference, and also we can tap on the list and it will be smaller like that. Then you can tap the arrow and from one monthly view switch to yearly, and here pick different month just like this. Now to create new event, you can press and hold the date. Here write down something, mark it as an event or reminder, then if needed add location or video call. You can enable to run this reminder all day or just select specific time when it will start and end. Then choose travel time, repeat. Here you can choose when end this repeat, and here you can pick a calendar. For example, I can switch to work. Then you can invite different people to edit your calendar with you. So just find it in your contacts list, tap done, and this person will be able to edit this calendar with you, and this person will receive an invitation to edit the calendar. Here, if needed, you can set an alert, for example, 30 minutes before travel time. And you can add an attachment. For example, I can add this photo and also write down some notes. Then by tapping add, we'll add this new reminder to our calendar or an event, depending on what you have selected. Now, if you want to easily move any reminder from the list, then press and hold it and drag it to different dates. Also, you can click it to check it by time, and you can adjust the time also by pressing and holding and dragging it to another place. Then you can also resize it, for example, to run from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And after that, it will look like that, and here you'll be able to see the time. Also, you can tap on the icon and from single day switch to multi-day. And here, add reminders for 2 days just at once. Also, on the bottom of the page, you can see calendars, so we can click it and add new calendar in this list. So, for example, you can name it as personal and then choose color for this calendar. After that, your reminder, your event will be with this new color. So let me show you. We are going to tap on the plus to add a reminder, select date here, write down something, tap add, and after that, tap on calendar and choose your new calendar. And as you can see, your event has changed the color, so you can see it in this full screen as well. If you have any invitations to edit calendars, then you will see it in the inbox. And again, you can tap on the plus to create new events or reminders. So we got here integration with the reminders app. Or you can just tap on the date, tap on the plus, and with this way add new event. Or you can press and hold it and immediately add this event. We can also add calendar widgets to lock screen and home screen. So on your home screen, press and hold it, tap edit, tap add widget, and then scroll through the list until you can see your calendar. Here you can pick between Up Next and Date, Month, and List. So let's use Up Next and choose this middle size. And now this is how it will look on your home screen. To add to lock screen, just press and hold it to edit. Tap Customize, tap Lock Screen, click Add Widgets, then pick Calendar, and again choose either this small option or a bigger option. Just click it to add to your lock screen, and after that it will look like that, so you can tap your widget and easily access this event, as well as tap here and access it again. Now we can also integrate it with messages, so you can write down any phrase which includes date and time, and then you should see this line under the phrase, under the sentence. So by clicking it, you can add it to your calendar and again customize its settings, such as when it will start and so on. Then by clicking Add, you will add it to your calendar, and here you'll see that launch tomorrow at 10 p.m., which is perfect. Also, if you wanna add something from your Notes app, for example, then you can just press and hold your note to use this drag and drop feature. So hold it with one hand, with your other hand open Calendar. Let me just tap here, tap on Calendar, then select Date, tap on plus, and here you can drop this note to the date. Name something, your event, for example, as note, and you will see it right here in the attachments. Now we can click Add, and then we'll be able to find it in this list and tap to open. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.